Hello everyone, myself Saptak Bhattacharya, and today I will solve today's a day 4 and I will solve problems on LeetCode. So, with continuing the series, let's get forward to the next question. It is the longest common prefix. Okay, so what does it mean? So basically coming to the example to just explain you whatever the question is. Basically, I will be given a array or vector, whatever you say uh, vector containing strings as its elements. Okay, so now what I have to do is just compare the elements letters. Okay, basically the first element, the first string, whatever you say, has characters F, L, O, W, E, F. So what are the common things in the three? You can see that the FL is common in both in all of them. Okay, so the output will be FL. So basically if I go to the next one, so basically here are dogs, races and cars. So basically nothing, the first prefix are nothing common in any of them, so I will return an empty string. Okay, so just this is the basic problem. So how I will deal with it? First of all, let me just sort it. Sorting it will sorting the basically the vector will just make the question much easy. So basically you can just use the sort and I will use strs dot begin on strs dot end, and the next step I will just set the first and the last letter. Okay, so basically the first letter will consist of the ascending order and the last letter will consist of the descending order. Basically for this purpose, the FL, then FLC, you can say that FLOW are common, okay? But the FLI is coming at the last, so it will be arranged at the first because I comes before O, so it will go at the front. So like this, for the front and back, I will set two characters. With two characters, I will just judge whichever the letter is coming first or not. So what I will do is just first. So first equals to, you can set a character first. So str begin dot front, sorry, and the second one is here is dot last. Now what I will do, I will just simply go to the next line and give the int I equals to 0. I'm just initializing it so that I can use the value. Now I will set the while condition that if the index means I is less than first string dot size. Basically, we will take length minus 1, right? Because the length will give you the full actual length of it. So the index is up to minus 1. So because it starts from 0. So I am just giving it from up to length minus 1. So less than size and I less than I less than last size. And what I will do, I will just put another condition that if the first of I is equal to last of I. Then what I will do, I will just simply hit I plus plus. Okay. So I will just increment it to check whether the other elements are also equal or not. And after coming outside the loop, I will just return the substring. For a substring, you can use sub str, and within that we have to give from which end up to which end we are supposed to get the substring of the string, right? So for the substring, what I will do, I will just set it from, no, sorry, my apology. I will, if I get the first one, why not use the first one then? Because the str is nothing but a vector consisting of str, I mean string characters, right? So it will be first or last, whatever is it. First dot str from 0 to, I will use up to index. Okay, are you getting my point? We are just extracting the substring from the main string. Suppose this is the string, okay, and the FL and FL are common in it. So the common prefixes are FL. So I am just extracting or returning the FL only from the first one, okay? Because I am taking first one as the reference because first one is from increment to decrement. If the flight is at the first and it is having only common FL with the other two fellows, then it will return only FL, right? So this is my logic behind it. So okay, as you can see, I have done a small mistake. So this is a character tag. It is not a character tag. First of all, it is a string, right? So it will be a string, and this will also be a ing string. And here I can say another problem which is not stated actually, that it will be not last, it will be back. Now let's check it once more. I hope this will work now. Okay, so all the test cases are done. Let me just submit it once and check. Okay, so there you can see it's also accepted. 126 text cases have been passed with 100% runtime. So let me first give a quick sum up of all this explanation. So basically the question today says that we have to find the longest common prefix, right? So prefix means from the first, from the beginning. So what are the common elements here? You can see that FL and FL. So the first thought in mind is that you can see that this FL is basically having only two characters, right? This flight is having two characters common in other two fellow strings, right? So if I just put this light at the beginning and these two at the very end, and then I will just compare this light FL character with the other two fellows, so I can get the characters just returned here. So with this logic, I came forward and just at first I just sorted it. So after sorting, what will happen? So basically after sorting, this flight thing will come at the first. Flight thing will come at index 0. This flow will be remain in a second position, and this flower consisting of more characters will be in the last because uh, the sort is from the beginning to end, means from ascending to descending, right? So like this, because I comes first, so because of that it will be on 0. FLOW ends here, but it has ER, so it will go at the last, and it will be in the middle only. The flow will be in the middle only, right? So now let me just tell you the next step. So the next step is you have to just get the first character and the last character. So why the first character and the last character? Because I have to compare these two to get the final solution, right? So for comparing this to what I have, because the full the full concept is not about the middle, it is all about the first and last. If the first and last characters are only compared, so the runtime is becoming very short because I don't have to check each and every character in each and every string, right? So for that, I use I have taken two variables, first and last. In first one, I have taken the dot front, means from the array, the front one. So basically, which is the front one after this sort. So the flight is the front one. Okay. And from the last, I will take the back. So for now, after sort, what will be the back one? Flower. So for a while loop, everybody knows that we have to initialize it first. So I've initialized it. And from in while loop, how much time will this what will be the condition, right, for this loop to just run? For that, I have given its size. Okay, basically the front size and back size. Okay, so it will give the length. Okay, but the problem is that in the length thing, if I do -1, okay, so I have to give one. I if I do -1, I will get the exact size of it, right? That's exact index of it, right? So for that reason, I've given less than first dot size, so I can get the size of the first one and size of the last one. Okay, so basically, I am going for, in simple words, I am going up till length -1. And another condition, this is the main condition or the main, you can say, logic behind it. Whenever this whenever the loop is checking the size of it, it is also checking that first zero is equals to last of zero. So basically for initialization, the common initialization is from zero, right? So for both the cases, it will run for, it will start with 0 0. So for 0 0, it will check, oh, there is one thing, there is flower, okay, there is F, and there is also F in flower. So one thing is checked. So this condition is true. When this condition is true, then the I will be plus plus. Okay. Then after coming outside of the loop, it will you can see that the I plus plus will increment it by 1. So again, 1 is less than first dot size is, of course. What is the size of it? 1 2 3 4, oh sorry, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yes, 1 is less than 6 and 1 is less than 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 1 is less than 6, and for the last string, 1 is also less than 6. So again, it will check that first of I means L is equals to L or not. If it's equal, then it's good, well and good. Then I will be again plus plus. Now for the second one, means I is basically the index. So it will be from 1, it will be 2 now. So it will again check that 2 is less than 6 or not. Yes, it is. Then for the flower also, it will be 2 is less than 6. Then it will come here. Now what will be the problem? First of index 2 and last of index 2 means O and I are not equal. So for that reason, this loop will break and I will be up to 2, because it was already increment up to 2, right? So then what I have done, let take the first element. So basically this is the first element, and from the first element, means from the first string, extract the substring from 0 to I. So I is 2 for now. Okay. So for 2, you can check that it is, and basically what does substring do? It will extract from whatever index I'm giving, excluding whatever the second parameter I'm giving. Okay, so basically it also works like length -1. So if I'm starting from 0 and it is 2, it will take only up to 1. So for the first element, I'm just giving from 0 to 2, which means it will only take FM, not I, because I is excluded in this. So for that reason, this code will work. So if you like my video, please do share, subscribe, and comment. And thank you.